how's it going? It's me, your host, Brandon. Let's go BJones. Are you okay? Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy, Let's Go BJones, and today I got another amazing video for y'all. Today I'm gonna be unboxing another box from BT Cosmetics. Here we go. Let's get it started. As you can see, it's still sealed. What could be in this box? We're getting started. What's in this box? Oh my gosh, you guys. Look what's in the box. This seems like it's gonna be a little smaller unboxing, but that's all good. Okay, first package. And just so you guys know, soon we are going to be doing a giveaway with BT Cosmetics. Just want to let you guys know that. This is, I think it's hand sanitizer. I'm pretty sure it's ethanol. Because of the global pandemic happening, I'm like 90% sure that this is hand sanitizer. So we got 3 in the box. And that's the end of the unboxing, you guys. Second thing we got to unbox right here. We got the BTS BT L'Entier des Célibataires Signature Hand Collection. So this is a cream blended set, and it's a hand cream. Let's open it up, you guys. So we got all the guys on BTS here. We got Jimin, and we got Jimin. So here we go, you guys. Check this out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because there's 7 guys in the group. And we have all different scents. We have Ocean, Musk, Vert, Boys, Citrus, Cotton, and Pandrier. It's like the Power Rangers. You wanna smell it? Which one do you want to smell? Give me a color. What color? What's your favorite color?
Lavender.
Your favorite color is lavender?
Green.
Green. Okay, so we got the Vert color. Let's smell it. This is pretty cool. Look at that, you guys. I can't smell. I hit my nose, so I can't smell anything right now. But that's really cool. It's got like 7 things in here. You got, this can last you like what, 7 months or something? You don't use hand cream a lot. This can last a long time. That's pretty cool that we got this. What else we got in here too? Oh, I think, didn't we have this before? Let's check this out. So we're gonna open this up. I think they're 2 of the same thing. Okay, you guys, so they sent us another one of the L'Entier. I'm so bad with French, you guys. So check this one out. As you know from the previous video, we had the Idée des Boys flavor, the scent in it. And it came with a bunch of these cards. If you want to see what these cards are, make sure you guys check out the previous video of the VT unboxing, and you'll find out all of that stuff. The other one they sent us is this one, and I believe that this one is actually a different flavor. This is the Idea Musk. The previous ones they sent us had the peach and a yellow tag, but this one is more of a reddish purplish. So I believe that this is a different scent that they're sending us. So let's check this one out, you guys. And yeah, I was correct. As you can see, we have a more pink scent. Let's give this one a smell, and then we're gonna check out the scents of all these ones. So, who's your favorite member from BTS, you guys? Is it Jimin? Jimin or Jimin? Okay, here we go, right here. As you can see, it's a nice little bottle. It's a cute little bottle, actually. Let's smell it. I didn't get it. Let me see how it smells. It smells pretty decent, you guys. It's let me see. It smells very flowery. Like I said, you guys, this is just gonna be a really quick unboxing video. We got a new scent of the perfume that's out for the BTS collection. So far, I have 3 of them. And we have these hand creams. Soon, make sure you guys check out my Instagram, because soon we're gonna have a giveaway on some of these BTS products. Details are gonna be coming out very soon, so make sure you guys check that out. Anyways, you guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the BTS lotions and and perfumes. Like always, you guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave in the comments below what I should unbox next. And make sure you go to my Instagram, LetsGoBJones, Instagram, whatever, and check it out because we're gonna be giving away a bunch of product very soon. So, like always, you guys, take care and fighting. I gotta sneeze.